IAmAdriaRenee. If you are new here, hey. If you are not new here, hey, hey. So today we're gonna be doing another headband wig review by the company Aiterina. I don't know how to specifically pronounce it, but this is the box. It's super cute. It's a 16-inch body wave headband wig. I did open this, but I have not looked at this wig yet. So it comes with a headband, of course. You get 2 hair ponytails, which I think are super cute. Disregard how I look right now, y'all. Don't judge me. If you can hear in the background, I'm washing and cleaning up my house and doing other stuff, but I really wanted to do this wig review. And then it's a wig cap. It's 2 of them. It's in this like nudish color, so I'm here for it. And then of course they send you a card saying thank you for your purchase and their contact information if you need to reach out to customer service. And then they also have ways that you can save money or get money back after purchasing the wig. Again, like I said, they did send me this wig to review it, so let's get into it. It comes in this kind of packaging. We open it up. Yeah, this is what it's looking like. Of course, it has this thing on it. It smells like hair. Similar strap as the last one. 3 combs in the front, 1 in the back. Again, it is the same length, it's just a different curl pattern and obviously a different company. So let's put her on. The shipping on this hair was actually really quick too. I purchased it one day and I got it the next day, like that afternoon. So yeah. Okay, so this is the wig, no headband, just on. Wish I had some earrings on, but it's okay. But this is what she's looking like. There's no part, but I feel like the way my life is set up, you know, I'm a side part kind of. Strand, I bet. So now we're gonna put the headband on. Y'all, this hair is super soft. It's like, it's so soft. It's so soft. So these curls aren't as, I guess, defined as they could be, I'm guessing. So I'm figuring if I wash this hair and then let it air dry, I'll get that body wave. But it also might have to do as fast as I run my fingers through it. So I need headband wigs, not necessarily this one or really any of them, because none of them do this right. They're all very similar and they're bands in the back, but I need them to like taper off, right? Like I think that would be A1 for all the headband wigs out here. If like it was thick up here and then it tapered off so that in the back it's not a big headband, especially if you're wearing another headband. It's gonna be hard to conceal that if I'm gonna put this up in a ponytail, you know what I mean? So I think it's the only thing I would say. But again, it's not specific to this headband wig, it's headband wigs in general. So yeah, nonetheless, let's put this in a ponytail. Let's see what it looks like. I feel like this would be, like, I mean, you know, I would wear it down, but I feel like this would be my, like, put in a ponytail, put a scarf around my head, like run errands wig, right? I guess I could pull it all the way up. You know, they did give me hair ponytail ties. Let's actually use one of those. I guess I've been repping Roosevelt a lot lately, y'all. This is actually my mom's shirt. Somehow she ended up with more Roosevelt paraphernalia than I did. But yeah, so y'all know me. I wear my hair, you know, whatever. So yeah, so this is our headband wig. I don't know what it looks like in the back, but we'll turn around. If it looks crazy, you won't see this part. I think the headband is what, the headband from the wig is what looks crazy. I don't think, yeah, because I can't feel no tracks. I can feel something, but it's not a track, so. Missed the piece, oh well. But yeah, so 16-inch body wave. You can dye it, cut it, fry it, lay it to the side, do what you want to do with it. But yeah, so I appreciate you for watching this video. If you liked it, found it interesting, if you out here looking for a wig that's longer than the ones that I had, but not long, but long enough, you know, you get a cute little, you could get, if this ponytail was correctly, you know, in the middle of my head, you could do your little top knot. That looks crazy, but you know, the options are endless. So yeah, nonetheless, I appreciate you for watching. Give me a like, comment something down below if you have any suggestions on videos you want me to do, or if you guys want me to do like different hairstyles with a wig. Like I said, I apologize for how I look, but I'm cute in real life, so it's okay, right? Nonetheless, like I said, if you guys like this wig, give me a like, leave a comment down below, don't forget to subscribe. Baby girl is knocking, telling y'all to subscribe. And yeah, I'm gonna take this wig off because it's a little warm, because it's muggy outside. Yeah, and I'll talk to you guys later.